Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the most powerful, innovative, and value-packed tools for your lifestyle. And today, we've got something truly exceptional to showcase: the best vacuum cleaner for your car's interior, the Fantic Slim V8 Apex Cordless Car Vacuum. If you're looking for serious suction power in a sleek and portable package, this just might be your next favorite car accessory. Let's jump right in with the headline feature: the 24000PA Powerful Suction. That number isn't just for show. The V8 Apex is equipped with a high-speed brushless motor that spins at an astonishing 110,000 revolutions per minute. It means dust, sand, pet hair, crumbs, and even those stubborn particles hiding deep in your carpet or in your seats don't stand a chance. You can literally operate it with one hand for extended periods without feeling any fatigue. And the slim design ensures you can reach all those tricky areas, between seats, under pedals, and in cup holders. Portability has been taken to another level. In terms of versatility, the V8 Apex doesn't hold back. It's a 4-in-1 tool, which includes a brush attachment for delicate surfaces, a crevice tool for tight spots, an extension hose for those hard-to-reach areas, and a wide nozzle for general cleaning. And yes, all of these accessories come included, so you're not paying extra for basic functionality. The Fantic Slim V8 Apex is battery-powered, and it runs on an 11.1-volt lithium battery. This isn't just good for portability, it's great for power efficiency. You get up to 30 minutes of continuous runtime, which is more than enough for a full car interior session. Plus, it recharges quickly, so you're back in action without long waits. The vacuum is designed for all floor types, so whether you've got rubber mats, carpet, or textured vinyl, you'll get the same high level of cleaning performance. And because it's cordless, you're not restricted by plug points or extension cords. Take it with you anywhere, in the garage, the driveway, on a road trip. It's always ready. Let's talk design for a moment. The matte black and orange finish is sleek and modern, making it look more like a high-end tech gadget than a cleaning tool. It's not something you'll want to hide in a drawer. The intuitive button layout and ergonomic grip add to the experience. It's clearly designed with the user in mind. Noise is another area where this vacuum surprises. Despite the intense suction, it maintains a low noise level, making your cleanup less disruptive. That's a small but thoughtful detail that makes this product stand out. If you're concerned about maintenance, don't be. The V8 Apex has a washable HEPA filter and a transparent dustbin that's easy to empty. No need for disposable bags or complicated disassembly. It's all about convenience. Now let's address the value. When you compare the price to other vacuums in the same category with this kind of power and feature set, the V8 Apex stands out as one of the most affordable premium options. You're getting high-end specs without the premium price tag. To sum it all up, the Fantic Slim V8 Apex Cordless Car Vacuum is compact, insanely powerful, intelligently designed, and genuinely useful. It checks all the boxes for car owners who care about keeping their interiors clean without making it a chore. It's a tool you'll actually enjoy using. So, if you're ready to upgrade your car cleaning game with the best vacuum for car interiors, head to the link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth product reviews right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.